Hello, friends, viewers, and scholars. You are welcome to Jonathan Online Physics and Maths. Good. For today's class, our subject now is physics. And basically, we have the concept under motion, that is uniformly accelerated motion, as our study concept now. Then we have a question taken from past questions. This question has been challenging to some students. Some students failed the question, maybe ignorantly or carelessly. The question says that a car travels uniformly with a constant velocity of 20 meters per second for 50 seconds. Then we are asked to calculate the acceleration of the car within that time frame or within that period. We are given a range of options as 0.4 meters per second square, 2.5 meters per second square, 0 meters per second square, 10 meters per second square. The solution. But looking at this question, do you think we have some calculations to do here? I don't think so. Yes, I know you might be looking for a calculator or begin to apply formula, calculate and divide and multiply. Relax, just stay tuned. Yes, this question is one of the questions that are used to, to pull the leg or confuse students in exam with the aim of testing whether you have the basic knowledge or idea of certain principles or theories guiding some mechanism or system in physics as well as mathematics. So it's not every question that you must use all the parameters or figures or data given to compute or calculate, multiply, divide. No, just understand what is expected or principle guiding that particular system. Okay, now look at the key word here. It says that the car travels uniformly and the car is traveling with constant velocity. So for that reason, the car has no acceleration. Yes, when a body is traveling with uniformly in a straight line with constant velocity, then the body has no acceleration. Very simple, because what is acceleration? Acceleration is the rate of increase in velocity with time. That the time rate of increase in velocity of a body in motion. That is the acceleration. So for you to have acceleration, for a body to accelerate, there must be increase in velocity. There must be a positive change in velocity, not just change in velocity, a positive change in velocity. If there is decrease in velocity, that's a retardation or deceleration, which is the opposite of acceleration. So there must be increase in velocity. That's why I define it as the time rate of increase in velocity, not time rate of change in velocity, because the change, although some textbook made that mistake, some students make that mistake in external examination, and they fail. The change must be defined, it must be directional. If it is increase, that is positive change, that is acceleration. If it is decrease, that is what? Negative change, that is deceleration or slowing down or retardation of that body in motion, in uniform motion. So because this body is moving uniformly with constant velocity, that means by implication, there is no increase in its velocity, neither there was decrease in its velocity. So it neither have acceleration nor deceleration. It is in uniform motion in a straight line. So according to even Newton's first law of motion, the body continues in its state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless acted upon by external force. So it is motion is steady. There is no external force of increase in speed in that vehicle in motion. So no acceleration. The answer to this question is what? 0 meter per second square. You don't need to calculate anything. You don't need to divide anything or multiply anything. Good. So the answer is this. Simple. So this is the answer. 0 meter per second square. If you want to verify it analytically, you can simply say the initial velocity of this car, because the car is traveling with 20 meters per second. The u is still 20 meters per second. And it still maintains that speed. There's no increase. So there's no increase or decrease. So the v final velocity are that within that 50 seconds, because we are doing our calculation based on within that time frame given to us. So the final velocity is still 20 meters per second at that time of observation. So if you are calculating a is equal to v minus u over t, our time here is 50 seconds. So your v is what? 20 minus your u is what? 20 over 50 over anything it is. Remember, so this is a fraction when you have the numerator as 0 is equal to 0. If you have a denominator as 0, it is undefined. So this is 20 minus 20 is 0 over 50, which doesn't make sense, which is also equal to what? 0. So this is the proof of what I've just answered. But you don't need to do this. This is time wasting in examination. You're not asked to prove anything in an objective question or multiple choice like this. So know the principle, interpret it, and write your answer. If you are doing theory, you might be asked to work and give reason to your answer. You can make this analysis and state reason to your answer that the car has no increase in velocity, therefore no acceleration. Thank you for paying attention to this. I believe you have understood this, and with this, you'll be able to answer these questions at ease in examinations with reason, without stress or confusion. Yes, thank you so much. Keep on following this page for more tutorial videos. Do not forget to share for others to enjoy with us. Then for more of these or private tutorials on physics and mathematics, chat me on my WhatsApp, or you can drop message to me via inbox. Have a nice day.